When the power battery of new energy vehicles fails, or reach the end of their lifespan, it needs to be repaired or replaced. First, we need to remove the power battery assembly. In this class, we will take Geely EV300 as an example. Disassemble the power battery as required. We will learn from the safety preparations before disassembly, the precautions and disassembly sequence. Protection and placement after disassembly. The tools and equipment used include a lift, battery lifting platform, coolant recovery device, a multimeter, personal protective equipment, etc. The first step is to perform high voltage power down. The second step is to lift the vehicle. First, place the lifting arm. Secondly, check if the vehicle is lifted smoothly. Then lift the vehicle to the appropriate height. Finally, locking. The third, disconnect the connecting parts of the battery pack. First, disconnect the power battery outlet pipe from the power battery assembly. Disconnect the power battery inlet pipe from the power battery assembly. Use the coolant recovery device to collect coolant. Then, disconnect the high voltage cable of the power battery and low voltage connection cables. Disassemble the ground wire fixing bolts of the power battery. The fourth step is to remove the fixed bolts of the battery. First, lift the power battery lifting platform. The working surface touches the lower plane of the battery assembly. Then remove the 3 rear fixing bolts. Then remove the 2 front fixing bolts. Disassemble 7 bolts on each side of the power battery assembly. The fifth step is to remove the power battery assembly. First, slowly lower the lifting platform to the lowest point. Push the lifting platform to the designated position. Then pull the warning line and place a high voltage warning sign. Then lower the vehicle to the lowest point. Finally, we need to collect tools and clean the site. In this class, we learned the disassembly and assembly of Geely EV300s. In the process of disassembly and assembly, pay attention to safety. When lifting the vehicle, pay attention to the lifting arm, not interfering with the removal. After draining the coolant, clean up the spilled oil on the ground in time. The lifting platform should be placed steadily to prevent the power battery assembly from slipping. Okay, that's all for learning about disassembling the battery. See you next class.